Welcome to the Kingstar dryer. To ensure the safe and efficient operation of the equipment, please follow our video and complete the following 7 key steps. Please be extremely careful when installing the combustion box. Avoid hitting the air inlet temperature sensor at the top, and ensure the wiring of the igniter is firm and reliable. Please confirm that the voltage matches the machine's rated voltage, and strictly distinguish between the live wire, neutral wire, and ground wire. After wiring, measurement and verification must be performed. After power on, we will perform system initialization and inspection, including program loading and parameter setting, and focus on checking the status of all I/O points and the fan direction. This is the foundation for the stable operation of the equipment. After connecting the gas pipeline, please perform a leak test to ensure there is absolutely no leakage. Safety first. Combustion adjustment is the core to ensuring efficiency and drying quality. Please keep in mind the principle. Turn on the fan first, then ignite. By adjusting the pressure reducing valve, make the flame uniform and stable without flickering. No smoke should appear, and the entire combustion rod should burn evenly. Before automatic operation, we can test the equipment in manual mode. According to your needs, choose pure time control or a more intelligent temperature and humidity control mode. Finally, you can select or customize the automatic program. Now, your Kingstar dryer is ready.